Good morning, guys. Welcome. Oh, my eyes. Welcome to the new video. Today we're doing a early morning ride, but I need to eat something. I'm starving. I ate the last piece last night. I don't want to make food. I'm eating bagel bites for breakfast. Is it recording? Yep, it's recording. Hello. Where? Look. See them? Right there. Man, I want snow so bad. Dang. Oh gosh, that was mad heavy. Oh, it just looks, oh my, it's cold. What the? Stop looking at me, bro. What are you, who? Oh yeah, look how I parked it yesterday. Aiming that way, ready to rip. Where's my gloves? Knox, I think. What the frick? Get out of here, bud. You know, let's check gas. I filled up in 3 days. I filled up in 8 days, okay? Honey, filled up since last week. Also these. Drink that much gas, like. Oh brother, that's like almost empty. I'm happy I checked the gas. Straight in there. Check. Yep, she full. Nice fresh cold gas. So cold out. Oh, I should check the temperature. It's like 20, maybe below. Oh, it's so cold. Oh! I don't want to pop a tire. I have slicks on right now, and my sprocket is very low. I will smash it on a rock like I have many times. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we're good. Oh my. Yep, my sprocket. I felt that one. Oh, you think the cows are out? Probably not. It's real early and it's cold. I wish I could, but there's no grip. Think I can perform this? Oh, I'm gonna scrape. Oh, I bottomed out. Come on, bro. Oh man. I'm gonna go check out this car up here, man. Let's go back. Hell yeah, that was easy. Oh my, look, the hood light still works. Hey, there's your grill, baby. Dude, look at this thing. Oh. Dude, this thing is pristine. Don't know what that is. Oh, the key's there. Oh, 2 keys. That's weird. Oh, the whole front bumper. I can't see, but you guys probably could. Oh, this door's cooked up. Look at this line. Oh. Adjustable steering column or no? Oh, who is driving this? I'm so up close. How do you... Bro, I'm like right against the steering wheel. Oh, that's some frost right there. Thanks. That's on there. 8,000 RPM? There's not even a red line or unless this car's just weird. Yeah. Oh, she steers too. What? Look at that. Still steers. Yo, the sun came out. Dang. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and comment if this is good content. Now I'm just yapping. All right, see you guys.